If you're looking for the best tripods, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the 12th position of our list, we have MeFoto GlobeTrotter Travel Tripod. Holding up to 26.4 pounds, the MeFoto GlobeTrotter is tough enough to handle professional equipment, yet weighs in at under 5 pounds and folds down to 16.5 inches. The GlobeTrotter extends to 64.2 inches, which makes it a nice option for taller photographers. The legs can be used at two different angles, so the tripod can be set up in scenarios where there isn't much floor space. One leg removes, a rather unique design for 2-in-1 combos, and nice since many monopods that slide into the top of the tripod are difficult to adjust. The number 11 position is held by Vanguard GH600T Pistol Grip Ballhead. Vanguard's GH600T Pistol Grip Ballhead is one of the most innovative of the bunch, with a shutter release button and bulb switch built right into the handle that allows for operating both the tripod and camera with one hand. The included cables make the shutter release comparable with about 80% of DSLRs, though some users may have to purchase a separate cable. With two panoramic axes, the ball head adjusts to a variety of different positions. Additional features include 8 handle positions, 2 levels, several screw adapters, and a 17.5-pound capacity. The product was originally recalled, but Vanguard resolved the issue midway through 2013. There's a little too much resistance in the panning, but the integrated shutter release button still makes it a good option for consideration. Next at number 10, we have Manfrotto 410 Junior Gearhead. Geared heads allow for smooth adjustments, yet don't require locks to stay steady. The trade-off is that they're a bit heavier, but the Manfrotto Junior geared head weighs less than 3 pounds, and with an 11-pound capacity, this tripod head is sturdy enough to handle medium format gear. Made from aluminum, it includes a quick release plate and secondary lock-in mechanism for added safety. The gear head also has 360-degree rotation and tilts from -90 degrees to 30. Extra features include a bubble spirit level and 2 screw attachment types. Moving on to the next at number 9 with MeFoto RoadTrip Tripod. The MeFoto RoadTrip weighs in at 3.6 pounds yet can support up to 17.6 pounds. When folded, the RoadTrip tripod is just under 15.5 inches and also reduces your equipment load by doubling as a monopod. One leg detaches and screws into the head, so you won't have to pack both items. The legs can be set at two different angles, allowing for shorter shots at wide angles or less floor space at narrower angles. With an included 360-degree pan-enabled head, the RoadTrip is a good option for videographers too. The number 8 position is held by Vanguard Abeo Pro 283 AGH aluminum kit tripod. For the photographer that shoots in all kind of weather conditions, on all kind of terrain, the Vanguard Abeo Pro 283 AGH is an excellent buy. The feet are spiked for traction, or the photographer can add the optional sand or snow shoes. There are 3 different leg angles, which allows for a wide range of height flexibility all the way up to 70.25 inches. This tripod also includes a pistol-style grip that also has a conveniently built-in shutter release. Capable of folding down to a compact 33.25 inches, it's not bad in the portability department. While this selection is a little heavier at around 7.3 pounds, it's capable of holding up to 13.2 pounds of gear. Next at number 7, we have Pedco UltraPod II. The Pedco UltraPod II is a solid leg mini tripod that, with a cinch strap, can be attached to a post or tree limb like a flexible tripod. The ball head allows the camera to be positioned at any angle, while the fold-out fiberglass legs are capable of supporting up to 6 pounds of equipment weight. This mini tripod weighs a mere 4 ounces and measures 7 inches long when folded up for transport. This affordable unit also comes covered by a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, which makes it a steal. The number 6 position is held by Manfrotto MHX Pro 3 WX Pro. Tripod heads designed to support big cameras are usually large themselves, but that's where Manfrotto's X Pro 3-way tripod head is a game changer. While still being able to handle 17.8 pounds, it only weighs 2.2 pounds thanks to the aluminum alloy construction. Where this head really gets unique is that the levers can be retracted for easier transport, so it will slip right inside a camera bag, taking up about a 5.3-inch cube of space. But a compact size is nothing without a bit of function. This head moves 3 ways, with friction controls for smoother panning. 3 bubble levels and a price under $150 seal the deal. The number 5 position is dominated by Dolica GX600B200. The lightweight Dolica GX600B200 aluminum tripod weighs just 2.5 pounds, yet can hold up to 15 pounds and retails for less than $80. Reaching a height of 60 inches, this tripod can be used as short as 21.5 inches without the center column. The Dolica is made with aluminum alloy and includes comfortable grips, and the quick release plate features a safety catch to prevent your camera from falling over. This plate also allows for 360-degree panning and tilts up to 90 degrees. When closed, the tripod is 23 inches, and while some of our other picks are a bit more compact and have greater load capacities, they're also pricier. Moving on to the next at number 4 with Joby GP1 GorillaPod Flexible Tablepod Tripod. The best pick for mini tripods, the GorillaPod's flexible legs can be used to attach a camera to nearly anything the legs can wrap around, making it the most versatile mini tripod on the market. The legs can also be used straight to sit on any surface too. It fits inside a purse and is less than 6 inches long. It can only handle about 12.5 ounces, but itself weighs only 1.6 ounces. The GP1 GorillaPod is a great companion to a compact camera. There are similar GorillaPod designed for larger cameras too, but at a bit higher price tag. The number 3 position is held by Manfrotto MKC3P01 Compact Photo Kit. Manfrotto's Compact Photo Kit is small when folded, but doesn't sacrifice on height when extended. It reaches over 60 inches, yet can shoot from as low as 16.1 inches, along with a center column that reverses to make it even more compact when stored. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, it's perfect for travel because when folded up, it can easily fit in a suitcase or large bag, and there's a built-in quick release plate for faster setup and teardown. Capable of handling a little over 3.3 pounds, it's a nice companion for the compact camera user, but DSLR users will want to look for something with a much higher weight capacity. Next at number 2, we have Dolica Proline Tripod. Dolica's AX620B100 Proline tripod retails for under $70, yet still uses the lightweight and sturdy aluminum alloy, making it capable of handling 13.2 pounds but weighing only 2.5. The tripod can reach up to 60 inches, but can shoot from as low as 21.5 inches. Closed, the tripod is 22.5 inches. This budget tripod also has 3 leg angle positions, panoramic panning a center column, and center weight hook. The legs lock in place with flip levers. Finally, the number 1 position is dominated by Manfrotto 055CX Pro 3CF Tripod. Professionals often have to worry about supporting more than just their camera, as there's often extra lighting equipment to consider as well. The Manfrotto 055 tripod can help with an attachment arm, which allows for the placement of something like a slave flash, for example. This tripod is also pretty versatile, with 4 different leg angles and a height range which extends from 3.54 to 66.93 inches. The center column also rotates, which provides photographer for even more positions to shoot from. Constructed with water carbon fiber and a new rigid locking system, the tripod doesn't sacrifice stability in any way to maintain its lightweight design. This support system will hold nearly 20 pounds of equipment, but the legs themselves weigh only a mere 4.41 pounds. That's all for today. We upload product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.